What do you get if you combine cauliflower, cheese and macaroni? Gooey, cheesy comfort food heaven. And as an added bonus, it's a great way of serving plenty of healthy veggies. We've portioned this for 4, but it's easy to double up if you want to get into the batch cooking vibe and get an extra meal or 2 in the freezer. Start off by cooking the macaroni. Pasta brands cook at slightly different times, so just follow the pack instructions. Next, roughly grate 1 cauliflower. Add 1 diced onion and 4 crushed garlic cloves and cook over a medium heat for around 10 minutes. Add a splash of water if it starts to stick. Add 400 milliliters of hot veg stock and simmer for another 10 minutes. Blend everything together to make a smooth sauce and stir through 60 grams of extra mature cheddar and leave to cool for about 10 minutes. Break another cauliflower into small florets and boil for 5 minutes. Tip the cooked pasta into a large dish and add the cooked florets on top. Stir 250 grams of plain quark and 4 tablespoons of fat-free natural yogurt through the cooled sauce. Low-fat yogurts are more vulnerable to splitting if the sauce is too hot. Pour it all over the pasta, sprinkle another 60 grams of cheese on top and pop it under the grill until the cheese is melted and golden.